Welcome back. Level Up with Safari. I'm Safari. You're here to level up. No hat on today because I don't care. I'm just playing. Alright, that's better. That's better. As you can see, this is a quick video, man. I'm always doing quick videos. I'm telling you, I'm putting out videos every single freaking day. This is going to be a quick video, how to get rich with Facebook. This is going to be a 10-part series. I'm sorry, this is going to be a lot of information, a lot of stuff that I have to give over to you guys. So just stay prepared, stay working, stay hungry. Let's get it, man. Step one, let's go. Roll the cue, roll the cue. What song we'll play today? I don't know. We'll figure it out now.
Go. I got dreads like I'm from the islands.
All right, we back. Quick one, man. All right, so the first step to get rich on Facebook. This is the very first step. Everybody knows this. Everybody who's doing anything with Facebook right now, anybody who's doing anything powerful online right now, you have to gain an audience. You have to gain thousands and thousands of people who rock with you. You got to be able to provide a service. You got to be able to go to different groups. You got to be able to exceed your friends list, because you get 5,000 friends. But the thing is, if you really want to grow and scale something, you need way more than that. So what do? You create a group. You create a group in a niche that you're familiar with, a niche that you can provide value to. And what you do with this niche, what you do with this group, what you do with this Facebook page is you grow it. You keep growing it. This is the first step. I'm telling you, I got everything laid out. Everything is going to be exactly what you want. Everything, how to do it step by step. This is just step one. But the very first step, this 10-part series is going to be scale your friends list. Your group list, your fan page is going to be groups now, but you're just going to grow it. You're going to grow it as big as you can. That's the first step. Don't try to sell anybody anything. You just go to groups and you provide information and you give everybody things for free. And you just get people to come to your page. You get people to add you as a friend. The first thing you do is just go to the suggested friends in Facebook and you just add everybody that you know. Everybody that it pops up with. You don't have to be friends that you know. So that's a cool thing. If you're one of those people that are kind of shy, you don't want to involve your regular friends. That's the way I did it. I didn't want to involve my old college friends and old family members about the business ventures that I'm doing. So what I did is I created a brand new Facebook page. That's mine. And what I did is I just slowly ramped it up. I scaled it big. Some of you guys might be watching this video as a result of, me sharing it in the group, me sharing it on my timeline. But, that's the first step. The first step is to scale. You need to grow. You need to add friends. You need to get an audience. You need to create a fan base. You need to be able to provide value. You need to be able to post videos and have it automatically goes out to a whole bunch of people. If you have a regular, YouTube channel or whatever, everybody's talking about click the notifications and all that. With Facebook, you don't have to worry about that because as soon as you post it, it's going to everybody regardless. They don't have those same algorithm problems as YouTube. So yeah, that's the very first step. So step one on how to get rich on Facebook is to create a group. Create a brand new, a side account, a side name, a side profile, and you create a group. You create a group in a niche that you want. If it's sports, if it's dogs, if it's video games, if it's entrepreneurial things, if it's traveling, if it's apparel, if it's shoes, if it's sex, if it's anything you guys want to do, man, that's the first thing you do. You create a niche and you create a group around that niche. So that's step one, how to get rich with Facebook. This is Level Up with Safari. I promise you these videos will be coming every single day, every single step, every single day, all the way up until step 10. I will promise you guys that I will be able to provide that information for you guys. If you guys want me to follow along, if you guys want me to create this case study with you and just start from the beginning and create something online, and I'll jump into my computer so you guys can see exactly on what to do. Let me know in the comments down below, in the description, in the comments down below. Just let me know exactly what you guys want to see because I'm open for whatever. I do this every day, so if you guys want to just look over my shoulder, you don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to super chat. It's not gonna be live. If you guys want it to be live, I can, but you don't have to give me any money. Just comment down below, put a like down, put a like in the like this video, put a comment in the description on exactly what you guys want to see. I need you guys to subscribe because when I do post a video that you request, I want you guys to be able to see it, and then I want you to click that note. No, I'm just playing. Nah, but let's go, man. It's Level Up with Safari. I'm Safari. You're here to level up. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get back to the song, man. Let's groove a little bit. I mean, let me do my little shuffle, my little slide.
Ooh, go. I got dreads like I'm from the islands. Feel like I'm from the